Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed guide on replacing the motor and filters in your Dyson DC08 vacuum cleaner. This tutorial will walk you through each step carefully, ensuring a smooth and successful replacement process. First, gather your tools. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. These tools will help you access and replace the motor and filters effectively. Begin by unplugging your Dyson DC08 from the power source. Safety is crucial, so make sure it's completely disconnected. Next, remove the canister and set it aside. This will give you better access to the motor compartment. Now, locate the screws on the back of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew them and keep them safe for reassembly. There are typically 4 screws that hold the cover in place. Once removed, gently lift the cover off to expose the motor. With the motor now visible, you'll need to disconnect the wiring harness. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry open the clip holding the harness in place. Be cautious not to damage any wires during this process. Next, remove the screws that secure the motor itself. There should be 3 screws holding the motor down. Once they are removed, carefully lift the motor out of the casing. If you encounter any resistance, double-check for any missed screws. Now that the old motor is out, it's time to replace it with the new one. Align the new motor into the casing and replace the screws to secure it in place. Reconnect the wiring harness, ensuring it clicks back into position. Before you close everything up, let's focus on the filters. The DC08 has 2 filters, a pre-motor filter and a post-motor filter. Remove them from their respective compartments and wash them under cold water. Allow them to air dry completely before reinstalling. This is essential for maintaining optimal suction performance. If you don't have the tools or prefer not to tackle this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, as well as pickup and delivery at your home. This means you can avoid the hassle of transport and scheduling. We also provide quotes before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. With the filters dry, replace them back into their slots. Make sure they fit snugly, as this will ensure proper operation. Now, place the cover back onto the vacuum and secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. Finally, reattach the canister. Your Dyson DC08 is now ready to be plugged back in and used. Make sure to test it out to confirm it's running smoothly. Regular maintenance like this will keep your vacuum in top shape for years to come. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.